La ilaha illallah, I love and I obey Allah. Please forgive me, oh my Rabb, for I am just your little Abd. Allahu Rabbul Alameen, the most powerful and the most loving, Rabb of the skies and Rabb of the earth. Allah, Rabb of everything. Allah takes care of you and me. He gave us eyes to help us see creatures on the land and in the sea. Allah made for you and me. La ilaha illallah, I love and I obey Allah. Please forgive me, oh my Rabb, for I am just your little Abd. La ilaha illallah, I love and I obey Allah. Please forgive me, oh my Rabb, for I am just your little Abd. Mommy and daddy, sister and brother, gift from Allah, I always remember. Teachers and friends who love me so, they all make me love Allah more. La ilaha illallah, I love and I obey Allah. Please forgive me, oh my Rabb, for I am just your little Abd. La ilaha illallah, I love and I obey Allah. Please forgive me, oh